and it's just so slippery. And then no wipe top coat, condensed glue gel, and no wipe top coat. It's cool though. It's like something new. I think I did shampoo foil before, but never done stickers and especially glow in the dark. So it's really cool, something different. All right.
I can't wait to see what happens.
It's like
this will be a first.
It's gonna be cool. Like, are you ready? And then it was a 1, 2, 3, turn on. And what if it not glow in the dark? But hey, it's okay. It's gonna still be sparkle, you know.
Okay. Yes.
We're gonna put it apply this good layer of the condensed glue gel. If you are loving the crystal nails so much and you're having is little difficulty for applying the crystals because they keep like, it looks good but then it's gonna pop up in like the next couple of days, the crystal trifecta will be your bestie and will back you up every single time. So I'm gonna apply the no wipe top coat. Oh damn, y'all looks fancy.
It's because of the black background. It makes the sparkly white look like so cute and like snowy.
You know, you can do some like dab some of the glitters on it as well. That would be cool, huh? So floating, you know, white top coat, but I haven't keyed anything on the condensed glue gel yet. So I am thinking. So now, if you don't want anything else, no crystal, nothing, you can definitely is ready for your Diamond Dust Pixie. But I'm gonna add some of the crystal from my little mix bag on the sub box.
Ooh, okay.
You think you have? Yeah. Did you have your box? Did you have that little cute mix one? Cool, huh?
It's so cool. I have.
Which one did you get?
Okay, so I have this from my sub box. It's the crystal, the mega mix. I can open it.
Ooh, must be cool. Ooh. I have it right here. You heard that? I'm like getting all of the color. I gotta grab another tray.
Hold on.
Make it
oh my goodness! Don't drop it, Dawn. Okay.
The tree.
I'm so excited. Like, it's so many cute things in here. Oh my god! I gotta get my crystal picker.
You know, we're talking about crystal pickers back years ago, like 20 years ago, when I'm trying to do crystal with some charms. Like, you know what we did? Getting a little. It's gonna be like technology come a long way. Is the acrylic brush, right?
Yes.
And then on the back of the acrylic brush, and then I put a little bit of a top coat. Like back then, it wasn't a no white gel top coat. It was like a regular top coat. So then we just put in a little plate, and then here's the back of the brush, right? I'm gonna just dip it in the top coat and get a little bit sticky from a top coat, and you pick whatever that you have it back then was stone, and then you pick and you put it on. It's like just
okay.
Yep, but we don't have to suffering like that anymore.
It sounds like a lot of work.
It is like it's more procedure, more step for you. So I'm gonna add just some, and then it's really cool about this one. It has all different sizes, and in the theme of the holiday. But keep in mind, hey, if you don't want anything, nothing to do with Christmas, absolutely fine. You can definitely separate any of the color crystal. You can do just red only or green only, or like I have red, green. I have like the white one in here is beautiful. So it doesn't matter, whatever you like, you can definitely put it on. It doesn't have to be like the color, like, so we give it, so then you can have a lot of options to play with your sub box, get a lot for your money, and then you can place and then do a lot of different designs in with this sub box. So I'm gonna add one more crystal, and then I'll be ready for the
bling.
For the crystal. You know what? It looks good with even without the Diamond Dust Pixie.
Yeah.
I can't wait to look at yours. Okay, it looks really good by itself already. You know, even like if now, can you turn off the lights? Hey, hold on. It's not done. Yeah. Well, no, I'm not keying it because I want to do the Diamond Dust Pixie, but I want to look at it. Like sneak peek before I put the Diamond Dust Pixie. Want to see it. Let me turn off my lights and then see how it is going to turn out.
You ready?
Yep. Okay, wait.
Oh,
I gotta go turn off the light too. Hold on. I gotta go.
Do it. Look at this. Ooh. Looks cute, right?
Okay, wait. I'm gonna close my window.
Hey, thanks so much everyone for tuning in. Welcome to Glitz Subscription Box live tutorials. You are watching us Glitz. My name is Nancy and I'm doing a tutorials with Dom, one of Glitz talented brand ambassador. I like the tree a lot. Okay, so
They're cute. They're so cute.
did you see mine?
Yes.
It looks cool, right? Okay, now so we'll do a Diamond
Yes.
Dust Pixie and see what it's gonna turn out after we're done Diamond Dust Pixie, and we'll key it and see if you can able to see through the Diamond Dust Pixie.
Okay.
So here I haven't keyed nothing yet. It still stay nice, remaining nice, and with the condensed glue gels and no white top coat. So now is the best time for you to adjusting your crystal. Anything that you're doing it before you are going to sprinkle your Diamond Dust Pixie. So hold it really close to the tray. You don't want to going all the way up high up because you don't want all the Diamond Dust Pixie gonna bouncing off from that tray. So I'm gonna get closer, and you can able to like even sprinkle whole and tie the jars, and we're gonna catch it with the tray right here, and we're going to give it a quick tap on it to make sure that all of the Diamond Dust Pixie will stay really nice and compact in the nail place. Tap it on the side, and then now we're gonna go ahead and key it.
Okay. So pretty.
Looks
Okay.
good, right?
Yeah.
Oh, y'all look